Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve copywriting skills with Grammarly detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of copywriting. Familiarize yourself with the principles of effective writing. Read content from diverse sources to see different writing styles. Define your target audience to tailor your writing accordingly. Identify the main message or call to action for your copy. Begin writing your draft using clear and concise language. Introduce Grammarly as a tool to aid your writing process. Sign up for a Grammarly account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the Grammarly dashboard and features. Copy and paste your text into Grammarly's editor. Allow Grammarly to analyze your writing for grammar and spelling errors. Review any suggestions provided by Grammarly carefully. Make revisions based on Grammarly's recommendations. Focus on clarity and conciseness as you edit your work. Utilize the tone detector feature to align your copy with your brand voice. Check for engagement by using Grammarly's readability score tool. Consider the suggestions for vocabulary enhancement. Use the plagiarism checker to ensure originality in your writing. After making adjustments, read your copy aloud for flow and cadence. Take a break and revisit your writing with fresh eyes. Seek feedback from peers or mentors for additional perspectives. Continue practicing regularly to consistently improve your skills. Evaluate your progress over time and adjust your writing techniques. Stay updated with changes in language use and copywriting trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.